Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for coming back and watching my videos. If you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel. But anyways, as you guys saw from the title below, today we're going to be making venison chili. Keep something in mind, you don't need to have venison or wild game meat to do this recipe. You could also do this with ground beef. All the stuff that you're going to need to make this chili will be in the description below. As you guys saw, I'm going to be making Steven Rinella's Meateater's recipe. Super simple, super quick, and delicious. I guarantee you, your family, your friends, and your kids will love this recipe. With that being said, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so you're gonna grab your pan. Doesn't matter if it's a cast iron or not like I have. As long as you can cook your meat and be able to cook your vegetable, you should be fine. Just grab some vegetable oil. Recipe calls for 2 teaspoons, but use the oil as you need it. Now that you have your oil warmed up, go ahead and grab your meat and just go ahead and brown it. Alright, so just go ahead and grab your kosher salt. Use as much as you like. It's up to your preference. Same thing with your pepper. Put as much as you want. And at the end of the day, this is how you like your meat. Alright, now that you're done cooking your meat, go ahead and put in a separate container and get ready to cook your vegetables. Now that you have your onions and your poblano peppers, go ahead and cook them for 6 to 8 minutes until you start seeing the peppers getting somewhat soft and the onions getting translucent. After your vegetables have cooked for 6 to 8 minutes, go ahead and put your garlic in there for another minute or two. And at that point, go ahead and put your seasonings. It's going to be some cumin, some oregano, and some chili powder. Keep in mind, the chili powder, you could just adjust it based on how strong you want or how spicy you want your chili to be. Now that you're done mixing all the seasoning into your vegetable, go ahead and put your 3 cans of whole tomatoes inside. And if you can't find the whole tomatoes and you just want to use diced, that also works. And at this point, go ahead and put your chipotle sauce. Now that everything's mixed together, I'm going to go ahead and put everything into the crock pot. I'm also going to add the beans and the broth at this point. I'm going to set the crock pot at a low temperature and I'm going to let it cook for at least 2 hours. Alright guys, so it's been at least 2 hours since we put our chili in the crock pot. You can leave it more, it's up to you, but 2 hours is good enough for the meat to be very tender and very nice. To be honest with you, I already taste tested this thing like 4 times, so now it's time to eat. My favorite part. So let's go ahead and serve up. Oh, this thing is just coming all over the place.
And here
we go, here we go. Yes, sir. Oh, so good, so delicious. Cool, so check this out. This is how I'm gonna do mine. I'm gonna grab a little of this red, purple, whatever onion. I'm gonna grab some cheddar cheese on mine. A little bit more. I ain't shy about it, you know, I ain't shy. I gotta get some jalapeños. Here we go. And one more. Another one. All right. Love sour cream mine. You don't have to use it, but I like mine with sour cream. And I'm gonna salt bake this baby with some more green onions. Here we go. A little bit more salt bake, no hair on it. So time to do a real taste test with this. Here we go, here we go. This is spicy. Really good actually. Really good taste. Can't disappoint. Now guys, if you don't have a crock pot, that's okay. Just do it with a regular pan, regular pot that you can use to put all your ingredients in there. With that being said, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up or down, whatever. Leave a comment. If you try this recipe, let me know how it goes, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.